Hi, my name is Emily. This is my video for 5G in Switzerland. What is 5G? How does 5G work? It's wireless communication systems that use radio frequencies to carry out information through the air. 5G operates in the same way as 4G and 3G, but uses higher radio frequencies that are less cluttered. This allows it to carry more information at a faster rate. Who is using 5G? Current and future job opportunities. Thousands of jobs will be created because of 5G. The highest increase will be in healthcare and social assistance. The second highest will be in education, and jobs and utilities will be the least affected by 5G. Some examples of future job opportunities: health cloud information security specialist, smart grid analyst, remote construction database developers. Who could be negatively impacted by 5G? Wildlife, specifically birds and pollinating insects that are impacted by the higher frequencies that 5G uses. Bees use electromagnetic fields for navigation and migrations. In some studies, they've seen declines in colony strength and egg laying by the queen. Where is 5G being used? Where can you see the application areas of 5G? Anywhere that has the opportunity to access 5G will probably be there. Discuss some application areas that interest you. Rural areas. It'll give them easier and quicker access to educational uses. One of the other ones is Wi-Fi still going to be prevalent in cities where 5G will be more quickly established? Any challenges or opportunities for using 5G in those areas? How EMF will affect the wildlife in rural areas? Why are they using 5G? Pick an international company and conduct SWOT analysis for the impact of 5G on its business operations. Strengths: energy consumption is lower than 4G. Possible to network to 1,000 times more devices per square kilometer. Weaknesses: inadequate availability. Newer devices are required to access 5G. Opportunities: allows for real-time communication and improved machine-to-machine communication for automation. Threats: issue of health hazards from mobile radiation not conclusively clarified. When are they using 5G? When do you see the mass adoption of 5G? 5G launched in many countries in the year of 2019, and it is expected to become widely more available in the year 2025. What are some barriers to its mass adoption? Increase in botnet-based DDoS attacks, denial of service attacks, in which the perpetrator makes the network resource unavailable to the users by disrupting services connected to the network. How to apply 5G for SDGs in Switzerland. How can 5G be used to solve issues related to the United Nations 17 SDGs in Switzerland? A big one that I see for Switzerland is development of smart cities, being safer and more sustainable, healthcare and fitness devices, as well as real-time monitoring for medical emergencies, improving emergency response time and public safety, and agriculture using sensors for crop fields that will help crops grow and minimize the use of water and fertilizers. 2 truths and a lie. The largest growth in jobs because of 5G will be in the healthcare industry. 5G energy consumption will be lower than 4G. Pollinating insects and birds are not impacted by higher frequencies of 5G. And this is my works cited page. Thank you.